In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Telegram group members to another group. We'll walk through the recommended invite link method first. Then cover manual addition, so you can choose what fits your situation best. Start by opening Telegram and going to the destination group, the place you want everyone to move into. Tap the group's icon or name at the top to open the group info screen. From there, find the Manage section. Inside Manage, select Invite Link. Here you can create either a private link or a public link. A public link is easier to remember and can be shared widely, while a private link is more controlled and can be reset at any time. Create the link that suits your needs, then copy it from the group info section. Now share that link with members from the old group. You can paste it into a message in the old group, or send it directly to specific people if you prefer a quieter move. This method is recommended because it lets members join on their own, which respects their privacy settings and keeps your workflow smooth. It's also useful if the group is large, since Telegram supports very big communities and invite links scale well. A quick tip: if you only want people to join during a limited time, remember you can later reset or disable the existing link in the same invite link area to stop new joins. If you'd rather add people yourself, or you are working with a smaller set of contacts, use manual addition. Open the destination group. Tap the group name or profile picture at the top, and choose Add Member or Add Participants. You'll see your contact list. Select the users you want to add, then confirm. Keep in mind that only admins can add members in many groups, so if you don't see the option, you may need admin permissions. Also, some users have privacy settings that prevent being added directly. If someone can't be added, just send them the invite link you created earlier so they can join themselves. A couple of practical notes to keep everything organized. Double-check you are working in the correct destination group before sharing links or adding people. And make sure the group rules and description are clear so newcomers know what to expect. If you are moving from one community to another, this clarity helps everyone settle in faster. That's it. Thanks for watching.